Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARNA. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, from where it closed right here to where it was yesterday, I think everybody can agree, yeah, this was a very nice move on the bull's part. But that does lead to the logical question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I was supposed to be drawing a question mark there, but my on-screen annotator messed up. Anyways, so that's the big question. Is there any sort of genuine power behind this move, or is it just a knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. I want to move that just to give a little more perspective. And that point is right there at $1.25. Why is $1.25 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.25. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it's been for several weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, quote unquote, make progress as $1.25. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this price movement is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? For this, going to have to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into a chart's history. So next potential battlegrounds, I'm not sure if the price hit it today or not. Yep, makes perfect sense. $1.39. Why do I say that makes perfect sense? Well, you look back here through the history of the chart, you can see a whole bunch of times $1.39 knocked it down. A couple more times right there, and then for good measure, one more time right there, $1.39 rejected it, and then once again, $1.39 rejected it. Now, I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through $1.39. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle once it got up to that area. So going into next week, public enemy number one, definitely the $1.39 mark. Any way you slice it, though, very nice day today. So we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.